November 6, 2011, Dos Gringos food cart construction progress. Essentially what I got done today was the right side 1/4 inch plywood panel cut and stapled in place. And then I got the removable panel cut, and the reason I have a removable panel on here is because of the gas line coming in on the right side of the burners, in case I want to ever take the burner out. Gives me the opportunity to remove this panel. But that's pretty much it. There's going to be 2 doors on this side. A door below the burners, and then one over here by the behind the sinks. And now I got to go get a 1/4 or 1.25 inch hole saw bit for the metal, so when I cut and put the metal on, I can cut out for that quick connect for the gas line. And that is all I got done today. I think it's going to freeze tonight, so I wanted to get that panel glued on there and let it start setting up before it froze. So again, November 6, 2011.